Good evening. Last video we check it out classical encryption standard, and this video we going to be check Cipher cipher. This is the first substitution method, so it is called as a substitution cipher also, and it have other name shift cipher. Okay, so the Cipher cipher, why we have this name? So this method found by Julius Caesar, that's why we have a name Caesar cipher, and it called as a substitution cipher or the shift cipher. Okay, what is Caesar cipher? In that plain text, for example, already we spoke about bit, each letter further 3 letter down in that alphabetic order, that will come as a ciphertext. Okay, what in that? We already aware of it. In English language we have a letter 26. It starts with A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J up to Z we have. In that case, if A equal to 0, B equal to 1 and C must be 2, D must be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and Z should be a 25. So here we have a 26 letter, and if you start with 0 and Z should be a 25. In here our plain text is B, and what would be our ciphertext? So here B is, what is the value it holding? 1 plus 3 letters further down. That is a first letter, second letter, third letter. Then our output will be our output will be the 5. So what is the 5 equivalent letter? It should be F. So this is our plain text, this is our ciphertext using that Caesar cipher algorithm. Okay, now for this we have a mathematical calculation. If you want to find out the ciphertext, we have a formula: encryption of x equal to x plus k mod 26. Okay, here x indicate plain text and key, there is k indicate key, that is referred usually 3 in the Caesar cipher. Basically this is the first version. When it's go for the advantage, here we can able to change the key value. It may be a 5, it may be a 10, it may be a 25. Anything you can able to as a key value. And the plain text, so here you can able to take a B. Let me work it out. Here if I want to perform the letter of E of B, here what is the value of B? Here it is a 1. So 1 plus k value 3, we already know it because that is our algorithm. So 1 plus 3 mod 26. Finally we have value 4 mod 26. So 4 mod 26 value will be 4. It is not more than 26. That's so you don't want to do any operation over here. The final value will be 4. Okay, now so here B value is 1 and the key value is 3. We got a value 4. What is the value for 4? That is E. Our final value will be, our ciphertext will be B. Sorry, E. So this is the method, this is our plain text, this is our ciphertext. Okay, the same way if you perform it, the last letter D, E F D. So what is the value of D? Here 3 is our value and the key value is 3 and mod 26. So totally 6 mod 26. The answer should be a 6. What is the value for 6? 6 values we have a G. So our ciphertext value will be G. Our plain text value will be D. So this method is we going to convert plain text to ciphertext. This method is we have a encryption, and the reverse order we can able to perform. That method is called decryption. For this we have formula. This is our formula for doing encryption. For doing decryption we have formula x minus k mod 26. This is the reverse process we have over here. So let me check it out, this two thing here. What is the value of 4? 4 we have value e. So here the first letter we have e, and the last letter we found it is the g. And if we have a bed, or yes, our plain text is bed. So if you want to do e, what is the value for e? E again it is the 4. 4 plus 3 mod 26, it will be 7, and answer will be the 7. So what is the 7 value? It is a h. So our ciphertext value will be h. Our plain text value is bed. Our ciphertext value, that is our output, is EHG. This is our original message, this is our modified message. Okay, here we will perform the decryption operation. Decryption operation is nothing but we are going to do in the reverse manner of encryption. So here ciphertext to plain text we are going to perform. Okay, the first letter is D of E. What is the E value over here? E value. So here 4 is the E. 4 minus K value 3. So mod 26. We going to get the value 1. So what is the 1 value? 1 value is the B. So again we found the letter of plain text. First letter is B. As it is, we got it. So if you perform the same operation for other letters, we going to get the same values. So this is the method is Cipher cipher algorithm. This advantage, we can able to change the key value. Disadvantage we have, that one is brute force attack. Brute force attack is nothing but we have only 26 letters from A to Z. Any combination, if you try it, you go, what are the possible methods we have if you perform, that is called a brute force attack. In this method we can easily recover our plain text in the from the ciphertext. Okay, this is the first method we check in the substitution cipher. The next method, play for cipher, we will check it out in the next video. Thank you.